Welcome.
Okay, yeah. This is stupid. Now we have another one here. You can see the guys walking forward. We have 3 trucks lined up here. 3 of them. Oh no, those threats. Ow, hit my foot. Look at that. This is the first time this has ever happened in Virginia, because we really don't get hurricanes. We don't get anything besides rain and thunderstorms. That's about it. I don't know what they're planning to do. As long as they do something. As long as nothing blows up, that is. Up to get a light now. That's cool. As you can see, you can kind of see the power lines. Kind of. This is just so epically weird. Yeah, as you can see, the power lines look weird. That tree fell on it. Oh my god. I'll see if I can record the rest of this tomorrow. Because if they turn this light on and see me, they're going to think I'm a sniper. And they're going to shoot me. And I'm going to die. I don't want that to happen. Oh no. So, I'm going to let them continue. I'm not really sure if y'all can see, but that's one of the trees that fell down. The other one's over there blocking our neighbors from getting out their house. I mean, they can get out like foot-wise, they can like walk, but they're not going anywhere. That's about as far as the tree that they've actually been able to pull out. And they're just going to the rest. They said they're going to go around to the other side on that tree. Think that something could happen like this in Virginia. First we get earthquakes, and then all of a sudden we get a hurricane. It's not awesome sauce at all. It really isn't. I'm just hoping not another tree doesn't fall. We don't need 3. I already got 2, one on the power line. This is terrible. Power was out and everything. Tree fell on the power line. They can't get out of the house. Ugh.
What is up, people? This is, you see that power line right there? Yeah, it broke. It exploded and took out everyone's power, except for ours. And that tree over there is hooked onto it. Yeah, it's a huge disaster. But for some reason, we're the only people with power. It's awkward. This is just weird. An earthquake, an hurricane, lose power for 3 days, power line explodes, and then we get our power back. They still haven't removed the tree down there yet, and still have debris. So that actual wire down there is actually live. So if anybody steps on it, they'll get electrocuted. You know, like for real.